to our tutorials, and this is me, Espiritu Vasquez. And for today's lesson, I'm going to demonstrate on how to cut full round skirt. But before that, I'm going to teach you on how to get the radius of a circle. And we have two terms to be defined here. One is the radius and one is the circumference. What is a radius? A radius is a straight line from the center to the circumference of a circle or a sphere. Next one is the circumference. The circumference is the enclosing boundary of a curved geometric figure, especially a circle. Let's get started. Before proceeding to the demonstration, I'm going to show you these tools or materials needed here. We have the pen, we have the pair of scissors for paper, and a tape measure, the French curve, pattern paper, this one, big one. Okay, then later on we have the fabric. We have here the formula in getting the radius of a circle. The waist measurement is 26. This one means this is the circumference. It's the, for example, this round supposedly is the size for the waistline. This is just for the demonstration. This is not the actual size of the waistline. But this circle is considering that this is the waistline, measured 26 inches. And then the formula is circumference equals 2 pi r. So the circumference is 26, and then this 2 is constant, multiplied by the pi, which is 3.142 times r. Then 26 equals, you have to multiply these 2 to get this, and then you're going to divide it. 26 divided by 6.284 equals 4.13 or 4 1/8 inches. So you are going to use this one as the radius. This part, you are going to get this one. So I'm going to teach you. This is the full circle, and this is the diameter, and this is the radius. The radius is from the center going to the circumference part. Okay, so we are going to use this 4 1/8 to find out or to get this 26 inches. I'm going to teach you now. We have this pattern paper. I'm going to fold it into 4. This is already folded into 2, but I'm going to fold it into 4. Just make a crease here on these areas. Okay. And then you are going to get the radius on this area. See this part? This is the center area here. Okay. So you are going to get the radius here on this area. You have to use the 4 1/8 for the radius. You have to measure 4 1/8 here. Start from there. 4 1/8. Here. Make it darker. This is now the quarter part of the pattern. So this is the radius which we computed before from that formula. So we started from here for 1 1/8 or 4.13. That is equivalent to 4 1/8. So I'm going to measure the skirt for 18 inches only. So we are going to measure it from here, there. As you measure, you have to move your tape measure. So this is the center. You're going to measure 18 inches for the length of the skirt. So mark it here, here, and there. There. We're going to cut this now. Cut along the line. You have to cut along the line. Then cut this one also. But before that, I'm going to show you. So this must be 6.5 inches only. This is how you're going to try if you got the right measurement. It's exactly 6.5 inches. So you have to multiply that into 4 because this one is folded into four parts. So it must be 6.5 or 6.5 inches. So that is 6.5 inches. You see, that is 26. The size of our waist is 26 inches. So this is 6.5 inches. On cut this one. Okay, this is it. So this is the quarter part of the pattern. I'm going to open it now to show you the full round. Oh, this is the half, and then this is the full. Okay, so this is the size 26. If you're going to have the zipper here on this one side, you just cut this one, cut it, okay? So that this will serve as the opening or for the zipper. And then you are going to add seam allowance for the zipper. And then if you want to have pleats here, you are going to slash these areas. I'll be showing you later, but this time I'm going to show you on how to use this pattern on a fabric. I'm going to fold it into 4 again. So we are going to fold the fabric into 4. See, fold it. So this is our center. This part is our center here. We're going to place the pattern on top of the fabric. It will be like this. You are going to add an allowance on this part and here. This is the final length of the skirt. I added an allowance here for the zipper. Don't cut exactly on the mark. I'm going to trace it this way. Okay. Then remove it and cut it. Leave a 1/2 inch allowance here. Okay. Then we have to put notch. And then here at the bottom, we'll leave only a 1/2 inch allowance also. Okay, finish. And then we're going to cut one side here for the zipper. Okay. Here. Put a notch here. Okay. Then, okay. This is it. If you want to have more interesting topic, please leave your comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and enjoy learning.